Here's a Model A, a unique, especially in classics. 1930 Ford Model A 5-window coupe. As you can see, black and yellow combination. This is an all-steel car, including the fenders, dual side mounts too. As you can see on the driver's side, mounted spare. Slip around to this side. There it is, passenger side, mounted spare. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlights. I do want to show you a spot up here. We have a little dinger in this front fender that's been touched up. Paint in the vehicle, it does show its age a little bit. Notice there's a spot over here where it's a little thin, maybe a touch up. Deck lid's checking a little bit, but you know what? That's what builds character in these 30 Model A's and kind of adds to the fact that they're, 90 plus years old now. And they're not perfect, but you know what? You can get in them, drive them, have some fun parades, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can call us 507-386-1726. Interior, of course, a cloth bench seat. And we will fire it up. Check out the engine bay. 3-speed manual transmission. That would be paired up to a 201 cubic inch inline L-head 4-cylinder. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Like I said, there's kind of where the paint's checking or cracking. Rumble seat underneath there. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. And when we say trunk, we mean trunk on this one. Also in nice shape. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the rumble seat with that rear deck lid open and closed. You'll be able to see the undersides, engine bay, interior. And we are going to take a little closer look at the interior. Also, when I start it up, let's hear it run. This does run on an auxiliary fuel tank that's underneath the hood. I'm going to show you that too here in a minute. And as you can see, cloth seating. Looks like it was reupholstered once upon a time, a little longer ago, so older interior. All right, let's see about firing this up. I do have the gas turned on. Choke is here. We're inside. I don't think we're gonna need the choke. Key to the right. Of course, the starter button. Up close to the firewall. There we go. Fires right up. Let it warm up just a tad. This one has a very low, quiet idle. Slip around to the back. You may not be able to hear this run very well. Like I said, it is quiet. It's a low idle. There, yeah, you can hear it. I'm going to slip up to the front. Pause this 1 second. I want to open this side of the hood. I'll at least show you half the engine bay. And you can check out the whole engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Hang on a second. Let me get this side open. We'll check out that engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
So there's that half of the hood open, and again, auxiliary fuel tank that it's running on. There's the L-head inline 4-cylinder, 201 cubic inches. And listen to it, look at it purring right along. '30 Ford Model A 5-window coupe. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.